Well, good morning, Captain. Well, good morning to you. Well, do you need another mule skinner down on your new mud ride? Hey, hey, hey. Well, I'm an old mule skinner, there you are, from down Kentucky, and I can lick any mule, now you listen, for I won't accept your pay. Well, if you don't like your job, then pull the bugger down, quack, quack, hey, hey, I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see, and it won't be much when she gets through with me. I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. The first time I met her, she was meek as a lamb, just the kind that fit my dreams and plans. But now the pace we're living takes the wind from my sail, 'cause I know I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see, and it won't be much when she gets through with me. I'm losing weight and I'm turning mighty pale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Well, every night she takes me where the bright lights are found, and I can't seem to bring her down. Now I'm getting shaky as a leaf in a gale, 'cause I know I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see, and it won't be much when she gets through with me. I'm losing weight and I'm turning mighty pale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. The snowflakes fall as winter calls, and time begins to fly. Is it the loneliness in me that makes me want to cry? My heart is sad like a morning dove, lost its mate in flight. Hear the cooing of her gentle voice through the stillness of the night. And whisper and pines, whisper and pines, tell me, is it so? Whisper and pines, whisper and pines, oh, this I gotta know, my darling's gone, oh, she's gone, and I need your sympathy. Whisper and pines, bring my baby back to me. Well, see that squirrel up in the tree, his mate there on the ground, and hear their barking call of love for the happiness they found. Well, is my love, oh, still my love? Oh, this I gotta know. Just send a message by the wind, because I loved her so. And whisper and pines, whisper and pines, oh, tell me, is it so? Whisper and pines, whisper and pines, this I gotta know, my darling's gone, oh, she's gone, and I need your sympathy. Whisper and pines, send my darling back to me. Yes, whisper and pines, bring my baby back to me. This next song was written by a good friend and classmate of mine, Rosalind Farnsworth Peterson. Rosalind wrote this beautiful piece of music while still in high school, and our class voted to have it for our junior prom theme. We consider it the best prom theme ever. Thank you, Rosalind, from the class of '61. There's a land beyond the sun where God walks when the day is done, a secret land that only lovers know, where in their hearts they go. There is a land beyond the rainbow, washed clean with the morning dew, a land ringing with pure ecstasy. That's where I'll wait for you. Wander past the sycamore, kiss me soft when day is done. Here we'll always be as one in our land beyond the sun. and beauty dwell as one. And while I love you, there will always be our land beyond the sun. Wander past the sycamore, kiss me soft when day is done. Here we'll always be as one in our land beyond the sun. And while I love you, there will always be our land beyond the sun. Frog went a-courtin' and he'd go, uh-huh. Oh, frog went a-courtin' and he'd go, uh-huh. Oh, frog went a-courtin' and he'd go to the coconut grove for the midnight show, uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Molly Mouse with a hat check girl, woo-woo. Oh, Molly Mouse with a hat check girl, woo-woo. Well, Molly Mouse with a hat check girl, he thought he'd give this chick a whirl, woo-woo, woo-woo, woo-woo. So he sauntered up to Molly Mouse's side, uh-huh. He sauntered up to Molly Mouse's side, uh-huh. When he got up to Molly Mouse's side, he whispered, Molly, would you be my bride, uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Not without my Uncle Rat's consent, uh-huh. Not without my Uncle Rat's consent, uh-huh. Not without my Uncle Rat's consent, I wouldn't marry the president, uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. But she said, that's it, Clyde, you better hit the road, farewell. That's it, Clyde, you better hit the road, goodbye. That's it, Clyde, you better hit the road, 'cause you ain't no frog, you're just an old toad. Farewell, goodbye, adios. Farewell, goodbye, adios. Farewell, goodbye, adios. Well, goodbye, adios. It was no accident, me finding you. Someone had a hand in it long before we ever knew. Now I just can't believe you're in my life. Heaven smiling down on me as I look at you tonight. So I tip my hat to the keeper of the stars. He sure knew what he was doing when he joined these two hearts. And I hold everything when I hold you in my arms. I've got all I'll ever thanks to the keeper of the stars. Soft moonlight on your face, oh how you shine. It takes my breath away just to look into your eyes. I know I don't deserve a treasure like you. There really are no words to show my gratitude. So I tip my hat to the keeper of the stars. He sure knew what he was doing when he joined these two hearts. And I hold everything when I hold you in my arms. I've got all I'll ever need, thanks to the keeper of the stars.